Hey, boys and girls, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue working in the reading part. Here we go. Open your book to page 55, reading lesson 3. Okay? And reach point deeper. Draw a picture of each of the animal family that Mr. Owl talked about in his lesson. Write their names on the lines. Remember, he wasn't talking about cat animals, cat family, and dogs family, just in which other, and some humans family. Okay, he talked about three families: cat family, dog's family, and humans family. Okay, so you have the answer here in order to drawing and uh, writing the names here in these lines. Okay, the other um, exercise that you are going to do is giving an example of an animal family that Mr. Owl didn't know mention in his lesson. An example of another animal family is there. You can use this animal, for example, or another animal that you had in mind. Okay? And if you have any questions, and remember, won't work in this, not okay? We don't work in this. And if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Have a nice day. Bye.